Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now. Next up, chatgpt2api provides an OpenAI-compatible API for ChatGPT's image generation and editing. This project reverses ChatGPT's official interface, supporting both text and advanced image models. It enables online batch image generation and editing, along with account pool management. You can import various account types and integrate with other software like Cherry Studio. The system also supports editable PPT and PSD file reversal, expanding creative possibilities. Check out chatgpt2api on GitHub to simplify your AI-powered image workflows today. Next up, FableCut, a browser-based video editor that AI agents can drive. This JavaScript project allows AI agents to manipulate a video timeline directly. It works by exposing the entire video project as a single editable JSON document. Developers can edit the JSON by hand, through the UI, or via AI agents. This enables live reloading UI updates as AI agents make changes to the video. Check out FableCut on GitHub to explore this unique approach to video editing. Next up, Toonflow-app helps developers quickly transform stories and scripts into animated short dramas. This open-source TypeScript type-in application provides an all-in-one AI tool for creative content generation. It integrates AI script writing, intelligent storyboarding, and character and video generation features. Users can efficiently produce visual content at a low cost, making animation accessible. Toonflow-app deploys as a lightweight, cross-platform desktop application for broad accessibility. Check out Toonflow-app on GitHub today to streamline your short drama creation workflow. Next up, Hello Agents helps developers build sophisticated AI agent systems from scratch. This comprehensive Python tutorial guides you from fundamental concepts to advanced applications. It solves the problem of scarce, systematic learning resources for AI agent development. You will learn to create production-grade multi-agent systems, moving beyond basic models. Developers benefit from practical, hands-on experiments in a rapidly evolving AI landscape. Check out Hello Agents on GitHub to deepen your understanding of AI agent systems. Next up, SuperCopyCoder helps developers generate detailed AI prompts directly from UI designs. This tool analyzes your uploaded mockups and provides structured prompts optimized for modern AI coding assistants. You can easily upload various image formats, adjust AI creativity, and get real-time streaming output. It integrates seamlessly with popular AI development tools like Bolt, v0.dev, and Cursor for quick workflow. Check out SuperCopyCoder on GitHub and give it a star to support this useful project. Next up, Agency Agents provides a complete AI agency at your fingertips. This repository offers specialized AI experts, each with a unique personality and proven deliverables. These agents solve problems across various domains, from front-end development to community management. Each agent is designed with deep expertise, not just generic prompt templates, ensuring production-ready workflows. Developers can quickly deploy these AI specialists to enhance their projects and automate tasks. Check out or star agency agents on GitHub to leverage these powerful AI capabilities. Next up, ESEILANE helps developers build intelligent applications with a high-performance knowledge graph engine. This engine is specifically designed for artificial intelligence, including large language models and GraphRag. ESEILANE solves the problem of efficiently managing and querying complex knowledge for AI systems. It works by providing a robust architecture that integrates seamlessly with existing AI workflows. Developers benefit from its speed and ability to handle vast amounts of interconnected data. Check out ESEILANE on GitHub to explore its capabilities and star the repository. Next up, fullstack-ai-agent-roadmap, which helps developers become full-stack AI engineers from scratch. This comprehensive learning path offers over 110 detailed tutorials, totaling more than 580,000 words. It covers essential topics like Python, JavaScript, React, Fast API, databases, and AI agent development. Each concept includes analogies, complete code, exercises, and recommendations for over 400 GitHub projects. Designed for beginners, this roadmap provides a structured journey to building independent AI agent products. Check out Full-Stack AI Agent Roadmap on GitHub to start your journey, or star it to show your support. Next up, VulnClaw, which automates the entire penetration testing workflow using AI. This Python-based tool takes natural language input to initiate comprehensive security assessments. It performs information gathering, vulnerability discovery, and exploitation, then generates a full report. VulnClaw leverages large language models and a model context protocol toolchain for its operations. It is ideal for authorized penetration tests, CTF competitions, and security training scenarios. Check out VulnClaw on GitHub to streamline your security testing and star the repository. Next up, codex-storyboard, which helps developers create video storyboards locally. This JavaScript project provides a multi-project workspace for generating video and image assets. It automatically fills in hyperframes and remotion content, streamlining your video production workflow. Users can initiate a new video project directly from Codex, defining shots and dialogue. The tool then generates visuals and integrates them into the storyboard, simplifying asset creation. Check out codex-storyboard on GitHub to enhance your short video and media creation. Next up, Vibe Research, a personal trading research agent that empowers your investment decisions. This TypeScript project offers an open dashboard for analyzing China A shares, US, and Hong Kong stocks. It provides daily market reviews, individual stock data, and a news radar from 108 sources across 12 sectors. You can quickly review financial reports, valuation percentiles, and capital flows for specific stocks. Vibe Research integrates all this data and functionality, allowing you to connect your own AI model. Check out Vibe Research on GitHub to enhance your investment research with personalized AI insights. Next up, drawio-ai-kit helps your AI draw correct and beautiful diagrams. This JavaScript kit teaches AI agents to generate precise draw.io diagrams. It solves AI hallucinations by providing ground truth stencils and a declarative layout engine. The kit includes a structural validator to ensure diagrams meet design principles. It supports AWS, Azure, GCP, Databricks, and BPMN architectures with zero dependencies. Developers can use drawio-ai-kit to create accurate diagrams, so check it out on GitHub. That's the mix for today. Subscribe to HubMesh for more daily repo trends.